Hello everyone, welcome back to Social Freelancer. My name is Abhimanue. So in this video, we are going to discuss about Instagram Reels. Hello guys, welcome everyone to Social Freelancer. Welcome everyone to Social Freelancer. Today I'm going to talk about this topic is about my name is Abhimanue. My name is Abhimanue. Basically it is trending now, so I thought of making a video out of it. If you are a TikTok user, then this video might be very useful because in TikTok users will shoot a video for 15-30 seconds and they will upload it. Same thing Instagram Reels is also providing. We can shoot the video for 15 seconds. As of now Instagram Reel is providing only 15 seconds of video shooting, but in the future they will definitely expand it. Okay. If you don't know from where you can find Instagram Reel option, just watch the entire video. Last day I shot a video using this Instagram Reel itself, and on the first day I didn't got any views, and on the second day when I checked it I got 332 views. I don't know what's the specialty in that video. Anyway, I got some views in that. That's why I told you it is very similar to TikTok. We will get organic views very easily. Okay, let's jump into the video. Take your mobile out. After watching the video, start shooting. Okay. Hello guys, now I will tell you from where you can find the Instagram Reels option. If you are on your home page, just swipe left. On the bottom of the screen you can see three options: Instagram Live, Instagram Story, then Instagram Reels. Okay, on the left side of the screen you can see four options. The first one is music, and the second one is adjusting speed, and the third is effects, and the fourth one is timer. Okay, let's see music. Okay, if you want to add any music on your video, we can select from here. The first option will be for you, that is suggested music for us, and the next thing is browse. We can browse the music which we like. Okay, next is speed option. If you want to adjust speed of our video, we can adjust from here. Okay, third one is effects. If you select effects, you can scroll to the left, you can find so many effects over here. Okay, you can use any effects, it's up to you. Okay, and the fourth one is timer. Okay, you can select the duration of the video from here by dragging the clip like this, and after that click set timer. Okay, and after that if you click the Reels logo, the video will start after 3 seconds. Okay, I hope you understood. Okay, as of now I have discarded that video, and I will tell one more idea from where you can find the Reels option. Go to your profile, click Instagram Reels logo. This is the Instagram Reels logo. Click here. I have already uploaded one video. Click that video. Okay, on top right corner you can see one camera logo. Click that. Then it will take us to Instagram Reels option. That's it. Okay, yes, I forgot two things. If you cannot find Instagram Reels option, just update the app. And the second thing is, in some phone, front camera won't work while shooting Instagram Reels. Okay, but the back camera will definitely work. For example, my phone's front camera won't work while shooting Instagram Reel. Okay, I have checked it. When I tried to upload it, it was showing just a black color. So you don't have to complain Instagram Reels. It is a problem of your phone. Okay, not the problem of Instagram Reels. I just want to inform you that. That's it. Okay guys, if you like my video, please do share, subscribe and comment, and don't forget to hit that bell icon next to the subscribe button so that you will get notification from all my videos, and we guys will keep in touch. And I will give my Instagram link on the description below. If you like my content, you can definitely follow me on Instagram as well. Cheers guys, I will see you on another video.